Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Today, I want to introduce you to the ultimate lawn helper, the 24-inch compost spreader Peat Moss Spreader Rolling Metal Mesh for Garden Lawn. This high-quality rolling lawn spreader is the key to creating a lush, professional-looking lawn that will be the envy of all your neighbors. This compost spreader is made of high-quality steel and is built to last. The surface is treated with heat spraying technology, offering rust protection, corrosion resistance, and a long service life. It evenly distributes compost, manure, dirt, and other top dressings with its large mesh basket, making it perfect for seeding and feeding your yard. Not only is this compost spreader durable and effective, but it is also incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to assemble, disassemble, and store, and the locking clasps ensure that it remains shut during use. The tumbling action breaks up clumped material, ensuring an even coat across your landscape. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a reliable product. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started with lawn care, this compost spreader will make the process relaxing and rewarding. Say goodbye to unevenly distributed top dressing and hello to a beautiful, professional-looking lawn. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 24-inch compost spreader and take your lawn to the next level. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool for your garden. Subscribe to our channel for more great products and helpful tips.